Hey guys, welcome back to Marco Lego Workshop. Now today we're going to be unboxing. No, it's not going to be this beast. So heavy. It's going to be my last Harry Potter set of 2022. Not including that. This. It's the set number 76402. 654 pieces, ages 8 and up, Hogwarts Dumbledores office from Lego Harry Potter. And today we're going to be just unboxing it. So I don't know what these are, so let's see. It's supposed to be you use it like a bag. That's neat. I didn't think it was. I thought it was not gonna work, or it'd be so easy. It turned out to the middle. It's in the middle of that. Okay, so, okay, here we go. It's one of the best parts. It's so satisfying. There's nothing in there. So satisfying. Well, now we can throw it at the minion. Yeah, I just threw it at the minion. Yeah, and also that in case you didn't notice. Yeah, so let's see what we have. We're gonna have bag 3. Looks like the Snape bottle figures in there. Bag 2. Bag 4. Bag 5. And bag 1. And there's this. Let's go into detail in a second. This, I got no idea why Lego does this. It's probably like, it's just so weird. Why does Lego do this? Just for the stickers and the instructions. Yeah. Oh, I did not know that. Oh yeah, I did. Here's that. That's really cool. Here's the stickers. Here's the instruction book. And this looks like a cool set, and I did not know that it shows you on here which wizard cards you got, so that's okay. I think this is pretty cool, and I know where this is going. It's going right here, right in the back room for me. Well, I put the Hogwarts crest there because I got nowhere to put it. I gotta hang it up somewhere. Oh, right here would be a nice place to hang it up. It's kind of a mess in my room right now, cause just got this in. Gotta hang stuff on it. It's kind of a mess. Still got my mallet from that. Well, let's get back to this. Yeah, that's gonna go right here. And there's no candies in here, in case you were wondering. There's no candies. Well, I should put candies in there, but I'm not. So that is about all I have for you today. And I think I'm gonna start building this. I'm gonna update you of when I'm done with my poo. So see you next time. I'm Marco Lego Workshop. Don't forget to like and subscribe.